We have made the trip north up I-15. We're in the Purple Palace, the D-Event Center in Ogden. This is the fourth meeting between in-state rivals Utah Tech and Weber State. They're leaving open for three, puts up a shot, count it, and he's fouled. Jashawn Holt, a chance for a 4-point play. Holt, juice, into the lane, lay it up again, off the glass on the right side. Noah Belonga has it right in the paint, one-handed jam, oh baby. Noah Belonga dumps it off to Potter, hammer dunk with one hand. Oh, what a move by Ethan Potter. And Burris did not know where he was going. He had him locked in the spin cycle. Owona, three-pointer. Yes, sir! Madiba puts up a three. Yes! Madiba, the flying Frenchman! Utah Tech with the basketball. A chance for the final shot to win it. To Trujillo, 6-5, into the paint. Dumps it off to Potter, puts up a shot. Good! Ethan Potter with a half a second left. Utah Tech comes into Ogden and leaves with a 2-point win.